Okay guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here in the garage. We're going to be working on the Polaris 700 in this video, but I gotta go run and get some parts for it at the store before they close. So let's go grab some parts. I'm in my truck now. A lot's happened since the last time I've uploaded, so I got a lot of updates. So I just want to show you some stuff that I've done. My most proud one is the radio in my truck. I put a new radio in. My old one went out and I was driving around for like a week and a half with no music. It was terrible, but check it out. 10-inch display now in my truck. So this is a really nice system. They're called Stinger systems. It was $1,300. Yes, big price tag, but worth it. I have Apple CarPlay now in my 2011 F-150, and it's beautiful. And like aftermarket stereos reduce your sound quality and your speakers and all this. This one does not do that. This one amplifies it. Yes, that's right. It's a head unit but also an amplifier, so it's really good, and it sounds really good with my subs, which I run my subs off Rockford Fosgate 500 watt, and then I got Rockford Fosgate subs. So everything in this truck is pretty nice and stout. I love it. I got navigation. I can just, I don't know if it's picking up for you guys, but I can just search something wherever I want to go and it'll load right up, and I can hit go. I got my common things, blah blah blah. You guys know how Apple Play works probably. Music, you can go through your playlists like right here. So pretty darn nice. You can go to your nav screen where you got your map and all that. I don't know why it's not really showing up on camera. I'm sorry. I hope it's showing up decent, but yeah, I love it. That's my most big update that has happened. I didn't film a video of me installing it. I'm so sorry, guys. I did it at my grandparents' in the dark, out on the road, and then my solder station for all the wires was up on the front porch. So that's why I didn't video that, but I love it. It's amazing. You guys should get Stinger sound systems for your F-150 too. Highly recommend. But yeah, let's get to the store. So we're at the good old AutoZone, and I just picked up everything that we are going to need. So right here I got this thermostat gasket, and then I got 2 things of coolant. This 50-50 mix should work. They prefer you to use the 60-40 mix, but this should do just fine as long as it has like something glycose. I made sure I got the right stuff, trust me. But yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. You guys can use whatever you want, but it should work. And then yeah, I mainly just needed this gasket because I'm replacing the thermostat on the 4-wheeler, which you guys don't know about yet. But yes, we're going to be doing some maintenance slash custom work to this 4-wheeler. It's gonna look super sweet at the end, but I was having an overheating problem when I was using it at my grandpa's, so I think the thermostat's just old and not working. So fingers crossed that fixes the problem. The fan and everything else was working. If not, it might be like a water pump or something. These newer 4-wheelers, man, they got all the fancy stuff on them. I'm not used to it. Give me a break. But yeah, my Honda, I brought that too and didn't break it all. So yeah, come on Polaris, step up your game. Sorry about the dark lighting. Somebody lost their camera. Me, I lost my Canon G7X. I don't know where it's at. I don't know how somebody loses a camera, but I did. So I'm filming on my Hero 9. Still a really good camera, but it's not as good in the dark. But yeah, shout out to the 50 or 100 of you that are gonna watch this video. It means a lot. I love making these little short videos for you guys, and I've been up to so much, and I'm just so excited to share with you guys everything I've been up to, and I think you guys will be very intrigued by it. And also I've been working on the 4-wheeler a lot, and I haven't been filming it. I'm sorry, but when we get back to the house, I'm gonna show you what all I've done, a little quick update, and then we'll get straight to work. So let's get home so I can update you guys on this beautiful Polaris 500. Okay, we're in the garage now, but it's the next day. Here's a little update of what I've been up to. So right here, I've been working on painting the plastics to the Polaris over here. So what all has happened to this thing is I put a new metal valve cover on it within these little, I don't even know what they're called. They're like oil things. They're made out of plastic on here and they leak like crazy. So I put a metal one on, and then you guys saw in the video where I threw the new exhaust on to fix the exhaust leak. That's doing great. I took all the control arms off and I painted them blue. So as you can see, I got blue control arms. I put this front fascia blue, and then if we come around to the back, all the control arms in the rear are blue. Can't really see with the way I have it parked in the garage, but yeah, check it out. That looks super sweet. And then I put new CV axles in the rear. So when I was at my grandpa's, it's having a cooling issue. So I got 2 things of coolant, a new seal, and a thermostat. And we're gonna flush the system and put a new thermostat in it. Hopefully that fixes it, because the fans work perfectly fine. The radiator is not clogged with dirt and all that. And the only thing I could think it would be making it overheat after that is probably just the water pump on these. I'm pretty sure they have water pumps. They're like something over. So here's where the thermostat goes. It goes right in here. And then here's the coolant hose right there that goes to the other side. And over here on the other side, I'm pretty sure the water pump is right in here, or whatever it is called. I don't know. Or maybe the thermostat's on the side. I don't know. We'll figure it out. But let's stop talking. And actually, let's keep talking, because over here is the front and rear plastic, and I painted them flat black. Look how, well, there's dog hair on it right there. Yeah, but it comes right off. Look how perfect this thing turned out. This is beautiful. This is gonna look so sweet. I'm gonna put blue decals on these plastic pieces, but they came out amazing. And so I gotta take the metal brackets off this and paint them black. But yeah, look at all this. All this came out super good. The only thing that didn't come out good was this. The bezel piece for the headlight. So I just sanded it down and I'm letting it, I put degreaser on it, so I'm letting it all dry off really good before I paint it again. And this one should turn out sweet like the rest. But let's get to work. Okay, so now that we got the coolant filled, I'm going to start the four-wheeler, and just as it starts airing it out, or the level starts to lower, I'm just going to keep adding coolant in to hopefully get all the air out. It's going to be kind of weird because the exhaust is off, so it might be a little... So you just saw us finish bleeding the coolant system, or letting the air bubbles out of it. We're definitely gonna do a little bit more of that once the exhaust is on, which I just threw on, but it's really late, so I'll probably do it tomorrow. But tonight we can work on now throwing together the headlight bezel. I just got that piece all painted up, and then I'm gonna start throwing on the rear plastic. And while I do that, my dad's gonna start painting these rims gloss black, because on the backside they're black and then super rusty, and then on the other side they have a camel print and then also super rusty. So yeah, I want them gloss black, so we're gonna paint them gloss black, and it should look really good with the four-wheeler. But yeah, I'm gonna start throwing together the top bezel, and my dad's gonna be painting the rims while I'm doing that. So cut to me doing that. And just like that, she's all thrown back together now. So as you can see, that black with the blue accents looks amazing. The flat black turned out really good. I love it. Like, just look how pretty it is. Like, and look how beautiful and smooth it is. So yeah, then here's a little view from up here. Looks really, really nice. I love how this thing turned out. And then I did the little blue in the center wheels, which it'll tie in better once I have blue stickers along here and everything, but that'll be in the next video. This turned out amazing. What do you guys think? If you ask me, it was a huge transformation. Look at that unit. Holy smokes. But yeah. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. So you guys know how in this video we threw in the thermostat and we did the coolant flush. Well, I went over to my buddies with the four-wheeler that tested out, and it still was overheating. So yesterday my new propeller for my water pump came in, so that's what I'm going to be changing in the next video. and crossing our fingers, let's hope that fixes the problem. But yeah, here's the transformation. It ended up turning out amazing, and I hope you guys like it too, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. And I almost forgot, if you're watching it till this point in the video, you might as well like the video and subscribe, because you definitely enjoyed the video. And yeah, I got a lot of more cool videos coming out, and I'd like you to see them also. So yeah, show some support and subscribe, and I promise you won't regret it. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.